Here's the news of the day for May 7th of 2025.
The Subaru Bell 412 EPX has received Transport Canada approval, enabling flight ops in Canada with enhanced payload capacity and proven performance for public safety missions.
Precision LLC has adopted Cirro's cloud-based flight ops and safety system from AirSuite to boost efficiency, real-time decision-making, and risk management across its global aviation operations.
NHV Group has promoted Jamie John to Chief Commercial Officer, recognizing his 23 years of industry experience and leadership across flight operations, base management, and North Sea energy strategy.
MG Balasubramanya has been appointed Director of Human Resources at HAL, bringing over 35 years of experience in HR, legal affairs, and organizational development across the company.
Vantas has expanded its BVLOS drone network with a new radar site in Grand Forks, adding 33 square miles of coverage and advancing real-world UAS operations in education, healthcare, and public safety.
Whisper Aero unveiled its ultra-quiet collaborative logistics aircraft family for autonomous short-runway logistics, backed by U.S. Air Force funding and designed to deliver payloads with minimal noise and high efficiency in contested environments.
Electra appointed Max Ochoa as CFO to guide its financial and legal strategy as it scales EL9 aircraft production, now backed by $115 million in Series B funding and over 2,200 pre-orders.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.